How many things can you name? 88 things in English. Let's play. The house and rooms. A house. A house. An apartment. An apartment. A bedroom. A bedroom. A living room. A living room. A kitchen. A kitchen. A bathroom. A bathroom. A dining room. A dining room. A laundry room. A laundry room. An attic. An attic. A basement. A basement. A staircase. A staircase. An elevator. An elevator. Furniture. A bed. A bed. A night table. A night table. A crib. A crib. A high chair. A high chair. A rocking chair. A rocking chair. A chair. A chair. An armchair. An armchair. A sofa. A sofa. A stool. A stool. A bench. A bench. A table. A table. A coffee table. A coffee table. A desk. A desk. A dresser. A dresser. A wardrobe. A wardrobe. A closet. A closet. A bookcase. A bookcase. A shelf. A shelf. Appliances and electronics. A refrigerator. A refrigerator. A stove. A stove. An oven. An oven. A microwave. A microwave. A dishwasher. A dishwasher. A washing machine. A washing machine. A dryer. A dryer. A vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner. A television. A television. A radio. A radio. A phone. A phone. A computer. A computer. A lamp. A lamp. A clock. A clock. A fan. A fan. A heater. A heater. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Home decor. Curtains. Curtains. A rug. A rug. A carpet. A carpet. A painting. A painting. A picture. A picture. A mirror. A mirror. A plant. A plant. A vase. A vase. A calendar. A calendar. A blanket. A blanket. A sheet. A sheet. A pillow. A pillow. A basket. A basket. A hanger. A hanger. Kitchen and bath. A sink. A sink. A faucet. A faucet. A counter. A counter. A cupboard. A cupboard. A drawer. A drawer. A pot. A pot. A pan. A pan. A dish. A dish. A mug. A mug. A glass. A glass. A toilet. A toilet. A shower. A shower. A bathtub. A bathtub. A towel. A towel. Soap. Soap. A toothbrush. A toothbrush. Outside the house. A roof. A roof. A front door. A front door. A window. A window. A garage. A garage. A driveway. A driveway. A gate. A gate. A yard. A yard. A garden. A garden. A porch. A porch. A balcony. A balcony. A pool. A pool. Great job. Subscribe for more and visit esldesk.com for games, quizzes, and stories. See you next time.